Hi everyone, welcome back to the Linux commands channel. So today we will learn some important Linux command used in the networking and cyber security. So let's start it to fresh tunnel. So we are cut it down. Okay, so started from who am I command. This command show the currently logged in user. So we are writing simply who am I. Okay, so enter. Sorry, I think it's not working. Who am I? Okay, so this answer is getting Kali. Okay, so this command show the currently logged in user. So username is a Kali, that's why this is a showing. So next one is IP A. So this command show IP address and network interface information. So cybersecurity professionals use this command frequently to identify system network details. So let's we enter IPA. So here you can find your system Kali Linux machines IP here. Sorry. So next command is a ping. Oh sorry. The next command is a ping command. So this command check connectivity between your computer and another server. So let's start it. Ping, and we take it as the google.com and enter. Oh sorry, it's free. I'm doing lots of mistake here. Ping. Okay, so we wait for a few minutes. It's a Google. So this is the connectivity. Okay, so this is the confirm the packet sending and receiving. So next command is net state. So this command display active ports and network connections. It helps security analyst identify suspicious open ports. So here we start from net state. Okay, so hyphen tool nap np and enter. So not all process could be identified. Non-onboard process information will not be shown. You would be have to root to see it all. Active internet connection only server. Okay, so we can check after some time. So next command is a sudo. So sudo command allow user to run administrator commands. So let's start it. Sudo apt used for update and upgrade. Yeah, you can use it and one by one command sudo apt update or sudo apt upgrade, and you can combine them through end. Password I entered and now it's working. Wait for a few minutes, it's working. So now it's a completed update. So next command is man. So the man command open the manual page of any commands. So man ping. So this is the manual. Open the pages of the command. So today we learn important Linux networking and cybersecurity command. These commands are widely used by the system administrator and SOC analyst. I hope you will understand these commands.